Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, Git, and a GitHub account. Once installed, open a terminal and run Git version and code version to verify. Next, sign into GitHub in your browser and prepare the repository you want to work with. In Vscode, install the GitHub pull requests and issues extension. It integrates authentication and PR workflows. Make sure your SSH keys or PAT are ready so authentication will be smooth when you connect the repo. You will now clone and authenticate. Open Vscode and use the command palette to clone the repository or run git clone repo URL in the terminal. Once cloned, set your Git identity with git config global user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributed correctly. If you prefer SSH, generate a key with SSH keygen and add it to GitHub. If using HTTPS, create a personal access token and store it in the credential helper. Finally, open the folder in Vscode and confirm the source control view shows the You will finish by establishing a simple workflow. Create a branch, make edits, stage and commit changes, and push with git push uorigin branch. Use Vscode's source control pane to review diffs and resolve merge conflicts. Then create a pull request directly from the editor to complete code review. If something goes wrong, verify the remote URL and authentication. Ensure your SSH agent is running or your personal access token has repo scopes. Make sure to pull before pushing to avoid merge surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.